If you want a man to love you wholeheartedly, and the more you talk about it, the more inseparable you are, you must learn to be his role. This role can meet the different fantasies and needs of men. If you have it all, then no matter what the wind and grass are outside, he will love you as ever. Because only you can give him the richest experience. He knows that there is no woman comparable to you outside. The role is to become his little fangirl. In fact, men have a strong sense of vanity and a need to be recognized, but they disdain to expose this need. So you will find that most men in front of you, he will have a strange kind of effort. For example, he will show that he is a detail control, driving the door for you, picking vegetables for you, and holding an umbrella for you. The purpose is to make you think he is a gentleman. Or he always jokes and tells you jokes. In fact, he just wants you to see his inner nature and think he is very romantic and humorous. With strong work ability, he likes to show his results like you, take you to a high-end restaurant, drive to pick you up, and show you the watch he wears. So in the depths of a man, he is very eager for you to be his little fangirl. It is best to be the kind of person you can appreciate whatever he does, as if he will always wear a layer of filters in your eyes, and will always be worshipped. Then this man he can't leave you. Want deeper training or my consultation? Join my program. I can guide you. Many of my clients have transformed their relationships this way.